Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a quick one featuring the unboxing of my June 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag subscription. The Ipsy Glam Bag is a $10 monthly beauty subscription box that comes with anywhere from 5 to 7 products, mostly sample size, but every once in a while they do throw some full-size products in there. I believe the Ipsy Glam Bag was the very first beauty subscription box I ever tried out, and that kind of led me down the rabbit hole towards picking up other beauty subscription boxes since then. I did recently resume my regular Ipsy Glam Bag subscription last month after upgrading my original subscription to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I'll be curious to see how this month's box compared to last month's. Again, I will try to assign a value to each of the products included in my bag, and I'll be sure to leave the full-size product information, including the package size and price, along with the sample size, package size, and my calculated price on the screen as I go through each of these products. Okay, so let's jump into this month's bag. So the first item is not included in the makeup bag, and it looks to be an eyeshadow, maybe a blending brush. I really like the color, and I don't know if you can see, but there are all these little Tetris pieces along the side of the brush handle. Really cute. Okay, so onto the bag itself. I got the red version of the makeup bag. I've also seen it come in orange, green, and blue, but I do like this color. And the zipper pull also has a little Tetris game piece, and this is rubber. The bag itself does feel pretty durable. It's a cute bag. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so again, this month's bag theme is Block Party. The first thing out of my bag is a makeup product. This is from the brand Sugar Cosmetics, and it's the Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Peach Peak. So here's a look at the packaging. And let's see if there's a mirror. Okay, no mirror, but there's a look at the shade. The blush feels really soft. Okay, you can see that swatch there. Peach blushes are some of my favorites, so I think I will enjoy using this. The next product is from the brand Neutrogena, which is a Korean beauty brand. This is the Black Volume Cream. So this is made with 119 natural ingredients, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, and it's an oil-free, gel-like moisturizer that plumps, hydrates, and gives your skin a natural, healthy glow. I have been looking more into gel-type moisturizers since I do have combination skin, so this might be nice to test out next month. The next product is also a Korean beauty product. This is from the brand Tony Moly, and it's the Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. One of the things I really appreciate about Ipsy is that they've introduced me to a lot of Korean beauty skincare, and everything that I've tried so far from Tony Moly via Ipsy I've really enjoyed, so I am looking forward to using this. So this is a gentle jelly cleanser infused with a multivitamin blend to dissolve makeup, dirt, and other impurities while leaving your skin softer, brighter, and hydrated. My final product is from the brand Hey Honey. This is the Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. The brand Hey Honey infuses the antibacterial and antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis into their products. This pink, antioxidant-rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to help protect skin, restore elasticity, and provide long-lasting hydration. I didn't know that about honey, and I think I have another Hey Honey product, a serum that I got in an earlier Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I've never tried that, but this definitely sounds like something I'd be into, and if everything goes well with this, I better dig up that serum and get to using that as well. So to recap all of the products I received in my June 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag, I got the Tetris for Ipsy eyeshadow blending brush, the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Peach Peak, the Neogen Code 9 Black Volume Cream, the Tony Moly Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser, and finally the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. I'm a little surprised that my Ipsy Glam bag was so skincare heavy this month, but I'm not complaining. I really enjoy testing out Korean beauty products, and especially Tony Moly products. Everything that I've tried so far from that line I've really enjoyed. I also enjoy using peach colored blushes, and who can't use another clean eyeshadow brush, especially if you're one of those people who don't clean your brushes as often as you should. I calculated the total value of products from my June 2019 Ipsy Glam bag to be approximately $30.61, which is significantly less from my May 2019 Ipsy Glam bag, which was valued at over $70. Moving forward, I'll be curious to see how my future Ipsy Glam bag values compare to that high value May bag versus this lower value June bag. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Bye.